Alright, good morning. Welcome to another daily vlog. One of the downsides to working at Gary's now is I can't no longer drive to work in like 5 minutes. And of course, the days that I'm running late, I have 0 range miles on my Audi. So, that means we need to get gas. And quickly, because I have 0 miles. What's up, bro?
Here you are.
Thank you. All right, we got some gas real quick. Seeing one of the car bros at the gas station. Now let's get to the shop. Ooh, we gotta clear. Oh, no car problems. Let's get to the shop. Pablo's the first appointment of the day, so let's get to it. All right, so at the shop now, I got my first haircut in. It was a fix-it haircut from my last. He said wasn't even on both sides, so I just recut it and did that. So anyways, Pablo apparently lost his wallet, so he's not coming in, I guess. Which means I'm chilling with the fellas until then. So let's see where the day, wearing a hat again today, because I do not feel like doing my hair. So let's see where we go.
As long as I get that black,
The black blade? Gary just bought these. I'm gonna do an unboxing on them. Okay, I got a crazy task ahead of me. I'm about to bless her. I can't believe you, Gary. You let Bill use your new clippers before you let me use them. Wow. Well, it's slow today. I'm only done.
We only had one haircut in at what, 11 o'clock?
I came in. Gary's gonna give me a haircut.
don't be taping this shit.
Come on. I'm doing a time lapse. All right, y'all. Gary cut my hair. How's it look?
Oh, Tara. When I was your age, there wasn't a man in Ford County that I could trace into the floorboard.
I like it. Looks good. Good enough for me. The boys came and see me. Young Timmy.
Hi.
David. David's Golf R is back up and running, apparently.
Car's in winter mode.
It's in winter mode. Both cars are in winter mode currently.
Got you looking just like sunshine.
Golf R, JZX90. There we go. Cars are both in winter modes. Boom. Thanks, Gare. Okay, we're cutting Tim's hair now. Doing a reverse bald fade. AKA.
Oh, that's sad. That's so sad.
So we're gonna bald here and then just fade them in between.
I'm trying.
I'm trying.
Give that headband.
Give him the headband.
You're gonna give it what I call Saturn's rings.
So I remembered The name of that stuff
What's up?
that we used to use.
For what?
The cool,
FDA approved to relieve
the cool skin.
What is it?
Osage rub.
It's good.
Remember that stuff, Dennis?
My grandfather
What is it called?
Osage rub.
Osage shrub?
Osage rub.
Osage rub.
Osage. It was
You saying it louder is not gonna make me fucking know what it is.
OLDSAGE. Old R-U-B.
Sage
Old
rub.
rub.
Actually, it's just
Old-
O-S-A-G.
Hey,
I really
Old
thought it was Osage.
Sage rub. I thought you were singing on the Star Spangled Banner for like 10 seconds. Old Sage came to see. Old Sage rub.
Old, well, it isn't old. It's old
Oh.
sage.
It's O-S-A-G-E.
Oh, Old Sage rub.
Right.
Boy, I'm glad we figured that out. Cause, wow.
And it was green.
Yeah, that sounds like something that would be green.
And don't get it near your eyes. Your eyes will start watering.
That doesn't sound fun at all. At all.
It's better on the back of your neck.
Yep.
My husband is a very
Around here, especially after you shave.
convicted.
It works real good for hemorrhoids
We
too.
should, Dennis, I don't want to hear about your hemorrhoids.
There's no smell to it after it dries.
Okay, time to hit Timmy with that chill your bones. He knows it's coming too.
I know it's coming.
You're the man, don't cry, let it go. Making sure that you're going to say what you want.
I like how we're gonna have that. Feel that nice fan. Oh, alright, thanks.
Do it from the back, do it from the back. Hit it from the back. Then that could be off a little.
Just a little bit. It is right now.
This is what we used to do.
You guys ever seen how like Salt Bay does like the meat flip? Watch how I do this.
What was up my face?
There you go. That was it.
Yeah, we kind of fool. A man is a fool just because he's a
Oh God.
but he is one and he likes to grow in his whole life. After the one thing I don't need right now is Norman Vincent deal. So just say here.
We're just missing the slaps to the head now.
You're very stubborn. Huh? I remember on the 24-hour watch on him, capiche? Liquid snails.
Okay, David's haircut is done.
So really big waves all the way from southwest Washington down to the central Oregon coast. We could see during the entire day Saturday here 20 to 30 foot westerly.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stay the night out here.
Yeah, we can probably do that.
My house will be
so-
floating down the street when I get back home.
So now I have to go meet Mandy's mom for the first time. Y'all wish me luck. Hope that's gonna be easy money. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching today's vlog. Back to daily uploads. If you're not part of the team, hit the red subscribe button, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Looking too nice out there.